Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to add a settings icon right next to your power button in Windows 11 so you always have quick access to your settings. It's really quite simple to do, so no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. Alright, so here we are in Windows 11. We'll go ahead and open up our Start menu here at the bottom. You can left click on it, the little Windows icon. And right here at the bottom next to our power button, this is where we're going to be adding our settings icon right at the bottom so you have easy access to it. Now what we're going to do is scroll through all our programs here. If this looks slightly different for you, I'm under the list mode here. You might be in category or grid. I just have list turned on, and you can scroll through here all the way down to the letter S, and we're looking for the settings option right here. So go ahead and select that. Now, once your main settings are loaded up here in Windows 11, over on the left-hand side, we're looking for personalization. You can go ahead and select that. And under personalization here in the middle, we're looking for the start option right here. So go ahead and left click on that. And once that's loaded up, you'll see an option here that says folders. So if you go ahead and left click on folders, these folders appear on the start next to the power button. So that's what we want to select. And this is where it's going to give you a whole bunch of options to add right next to that power button. So settings is right here. We can go ahead and turn on this toggle button right here. Make sure it's blue. And we'll just go ahead and X out of this. We'll close out of it. Go back to our start menu here at the bottom. And now you can see we've got a shortcut to our settings right here with easy access. So I hope this quick tutorial gave you value. If it did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, take care.